Hello, and how you doing? And welcome to another one of my videos that I am Flick Cahoon. And I'm a basket case, because it says so here. Look, basket case, that's him there. Anytime you see me in a red and black jacket, it's all taken with the action camera on my FeiyuTech a1000 gimbal. You'll see the setup later. And this is the two little New Zealand pigs. I kid you not. That's black and white ones, same ones, me being a bit arty-farty. Anyway, their Maori name is Cooney Cooney. Means fat and round, a bit like me. I get called that. They're hairy, fat and round. That's me with the FeiyuTech a1000 gimbal with the video light on the left hand side, and on the right hand side is an action camera pointing back at me. So as I said, anytime you see my face, don't throw up, just remember it's coming from the action cam. The one on the gimbal, the action one that's working properly, is the lumens TZ80 set on 24mm. Now, although it appears this is a JPEG, it isn't. It's the film, and they are moving. Just watch. There they go. I had to think for a minute. But the lovely little beasts, male and female, and I like the name Cooney Cooney, and they're called Cooney and Cooney. Makes sense, doesn't it, to me, sort of. Lovely wee pigs. They don't grow much more than this. There's me again, taken with the action cam. Now you'll hear they're very noisy, these pigs. And the other beasts, the ram there, you can see Albert, and that's the camera that's doing the B footage, the Sony. And number 6 there, they're Shetland rams. They're a protected species, a rare species. They give the little piggies a wide berth, but then so do the stallions. Can't understand it. I can't see that they're frightened of the size, and I think it must be the squealing. It's the only thing I can think of. Because you'll see in the distance there's 2 stallions across the field there. Dylan and Mickey. Or Dylan and Charlie now, sorry. And that's Cooney Cooney having a look at my feet. Aren't they cute? Little cutie pies. You won't going to let them chew on your fingers though. You'll see what they've done to the wire. And there's me again. And there's the stallions running up the field. They don't come over to the fence this side. They give it a wide berth. And as I say, over the other field behind the Cooney Coonies, there's 2 more stallions. And when they're coming round by the fence there, the hedge, because the Coonies have got the run of the hedge here, they do give them a wide berth. They're not comfortable around the pigs. So where you go, pigs. Great. Oh, there's me again. And again, there's Albert and the 2 stallions. They're hunters, so they're in very good condition. There's number 6. I'm going to pose for me? Yep. I can get within about 6 inches with the camera and the lights on, and then he just takes off. But he's nosy. He's not frightened at all, just nosy. Wondering what it's all about. So is he. No, he knows what it's all about, I think. Well, he likes to think he does. I got a lovely wee face, but sharp teeth. Not him. His teeth are old, they're all sort of blunt. You can see that's chewing the wire. Look how it's misshaped, the wire. So you won't want them chewing on your finger. And that's your lot for now. Ta-ra the new Jimmy. Bye.